Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by removing resource drains and ensuring drivers are current. First, close heavy background apps and game launchers to free CPU and RAM. Next, update your GPU drivers and headset firmware so the system and display handshake correctly. Then, plug the headset directly into a primary USB or display port. Do not use passive hubs. Once done, reboot the PC and headset to apply changes, and verify your system power profile is set to high performance for consistent clock speeds. You'll now tune rendering and frame management to stabilize frame timing. In the Headset Companion app, set the recommended render resolution and enable asynchronous reprojection or motion smoothing if available. These trade a little visual fidelity for steadier frames. Next, lower renderer scale or use GPU-specific per app scaling to 80 to 90% to reduce GPU load without big quality loss. Finally, edit in-game settings, drop shadows, particle density, and post-processing, so the GPU stays below thermal and power limits for consistent VR motion. Finish by validating stability and resolving remaining stalls. You should monitor GPU/CPU temps and frame timing with an overlay. Consistent timing means smooth motion. Try switching cables, ports, or testing a wired connection if using wireless to isolate bandwidth issues. If stutter continues, temporarily disable overclocks, and, if necessary, reinstall or roll back GPU drivers to a known good version. One key troubleshooting tip. If you see periodic spikes, check background scheduled tasks and network activity. Stop or reschedule them to eliminate intermittent CPU or I/O pauses.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.